Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Hello Ishal, hello Hamza, hello Ali, hello Abdul Hadi, and hello Mehani. How are you all?
Assalamualaikum, teacher.
Walaikum salam. Wow, look at Abdul Hadi. He's wearing mask in online class. Good, very professional, Abdul Hadi. Nice example. Yes, Aisha Hamid, we are going to do ICT today. So every one of you, bring your ICT book and ICT copy with you. Bring your ICT book and ICT copy with you, everyone. We are going to do the reading and writing as well today. Everyone, you already write down the time syllabus. Now we are going to write down chapter number 1. We have read last time. So we are going to draw number 1. What is computer? There are a lot of machines you have seen in book. A computer is also a machine. I asked you, there are a lot of machines inside your home and outside the home. So what do we gonna do, everyone? I'm gonna write down on a noteboard, whiteboard. Please copy in your ICT. Use new page. Use new page. After this label, after the times for syllabus of fall term, you have to use new page. Yes. Okay. Are you ready? Ready to write, everyone? Bring out your ICT copy, open it. Page number from your book. You can take the example from the book, but I'm writing it down on the whiteboard for you to write it. First, write down the date on the page. It's 18 September. Write it on the left side. The first question we are going to write. We are going to write the first question. Yes. Okay, I'm gonna draw the line over here. You already have line drawn in your arts copy, ICT copy. Write date over here, 18 September. On the left side. Okay, and I'm writing down question over here. It is question number 1. Write 5 machines that are that are available inside your home. Inside and outside your home. Okay? Everyone, you writing it down with me? The first heading you write with the answer. If you don't have the line, if you don't find it, the first line is too big for you, you can use the next line. Okay, I have the space over here, so I'm writing over here on the first line. Okay, you can always use the next line if you find a difficulty over here. The heading is inside home. And you have to write down one machine name, two machine name, three machine name, four machine name, fifth machine name. Okay, the next heading will be outside your home. That can be any place, it's up to you. Street or anywhere. Number one, number two. I'm gonna ask you one by one, so hold on and think about it. 4 and 5. Okay. Now let's ask everyone. Number one, who is going to tell me what is the first machine inside the home? Isal Hamid. Yes, Isal. Only one machine name. Okay, let's give everyone a chance. One machine name inside your home.
Blending machine.
Very good. Blending machine. Okay, I'm writing it down over here for you. Blending machine. Good answer. Blending machine. Next, who's going to tell me what is number two? Inside home. What is number two machine you find inside your home? Hamza, will you give me the answer of inside home? Hamza? Yes, Hamza. Give me one machine name that you see inside your home. One machine name, please. Any machine you can see inside your home.
Microwave.
Microwave. Okay, that's right. Microwave. Good job. Microwave. Very nice, Hamza. Next, Umme Hani. Yes, Umme Hani.
Washing machine.
Very good. That's a correct answer. I'm writing it down, washing machine for you. Hurry up, write it down with me, everyone. Washing machine. Okay, number four. Who is going to tell me number four? Abdul Hadi. Number four machine. You can see inside your home.
Computer.
Computer. Wow. But okay, fine. I'll take your answer as the correct one. Computer. The fifth one. Who is going to give me the answer to the fifth one? Tabish Ali. What is the fifth machine name you want to mention, which is available in your home? Yes. Tabish, unmute your mic again. Please louder. I cannot hear you. Freezer. Okay, you have a fridge and freezer separately. Okay, I will correct this answer. Good job. Freezer. I'm going to write down as it is. Freezer. Fridge and freezer are like same. So next is outside home turn. Let's see who's left. Who's going to tell me first machine which is find outside the home? Ali, Adil. Yes, please. One machine you find outside your home. I have shown you the video where you can see a lot of machine outside your home. The very first machine name, please. Yes, Ali. Can you tell me first machine name? Ali, I cannot hear you. One machine you find outside your home. Yes. Ali, Adil, I'm asking you one machine you find outside your home. I cannot hear your proper voice. Give me one machine name you find outside your home. Okay, let's ask someone else. Who's going to give me the answer? Who knows the answer? Hunaina, would you like to give the answer? What machine you can find outside the home? Printer. Somebody has printer inside home, so it will not be completely a correct answer. Try to think of something else also. Can you think of something else? Hunaina, can you think of something? Any machine? Okay, the machine you travel with. There is a machine where you sit and travel from one place to another. What that machine called? Hunaina?
Yes, sir.
There is a machine where you sit on it and you travel on it from one place to another. Can you name it?
Miss Car.
Very nice. Good. Car is a machine you can find outside your home. Car. Next, think of something like this. Yes, Umehani, next you. Next, what is the second machine you find outside your home?
Aeroplane.
Wow, very good, Umehani. You answered correctly. Aeroplane. Aeroplane is the right answer. Next, number 3. Who is going to give me the third answer? What is the third machine you can see outside your home? Think about it. On the road, on the street. Yes, Ishal Hamid.
Car.
Sorry, repeat it again.
Car.
Car. Car is done. I've already written down. Think of something else. Do you have something else in your mind? No? It's all right. Let's give someone else a chance. Yes, another one. Tabish, would you like to give the answer? Tabish, think of some machine which you find outside your home, on the road, on the street. When you cross the road, there is something on the pole which turns light. What it's called? It has 3 lights. It takes turn to turn, changes. What that called? It was also a machine. Can you think of that? The car stops and go with the help of that signal. What is that called? Oops, I already said it.
Truck.
Truck. Okay. Anyone else want to try? Hamza, would you like to give the answer? Okay, Umehani raised her hand. Yes, Umehani.
Water tanker. Train.
Train. I will take the answer for train. Very nice. Train. Good. Anyone else? Hamza? I was asking, there is something on the pole, 3 buttons on it, which take turns. The car will stop and the car will go. What is that thing
क्या
called?
पूछी टीचर? इसको समझ नहीं आया हमजा को.
I was asking the machine outside the home.
क्या पूछी?
So I'm giving you an example that is there
Outside.
something
Outside the
outside on the
home से
street,
बाहर जो मशीन होती है वो कौन सी होती है?
outside in the sky, in the road.
PC.
These are all inside the home, outside. When you walk on the street, can you see any machine outside? Cars are, aeroplanes done, train is done.
टीचर की बात.
Hamza, look at me.
Look at.
Hamza, over here. Yes,
teacher.
that car is also a machine that is outside home. Aeroplane is a machine that is also outside home. And train is also a machine that is also outside of your house. So think of some machine that you can see outside your house. When you're walking,
Outside.
think of it.
मशीन होती है ना वो बताना.
When you are sitting on a car, you can see.
कार.
Motorcycle.
Okay, think of it. Raise your hand and I will let you know the answer. Okay. Umme Hani. Okay, let's. Yes. Who else want to give the answer? No one? Okay, so Umme Hani raise her hand. Yes, Umme Hani.
Watership, bike, train.
Bike, train is done. Motor vehicles are done. Yes, Hamza, do you think of something?
Car, train,
Car and train
truck,
is done.
motorbike, horse, or dog.
मशीन नहीं है. Aeroplane.
Airplane.
Vehicles are done. Think of something else. Okay, I'll give you an example. Okay. What is it? Think of it. What is it? The pole there has 3 things on it, which what they take turns, and the car stops on it and runs on it. It is on the intersection. Can you think of it? What is that thing? When we stop the car, when it turned red, we start the car when it turned green. What is that thing called? Hamza, can you think of it?
Yeah.
What is that? When cars stop on red and start on the green. In the intersection we have. What is that thing? No guessing? Okay, never mind. Tabish, would you like to guess? The question is that. Okay, I'm giving you example. What is the machine outside the home? The machine where the car stops on the intersection. You see the pole where it has 3 things: green, red, yellow light. What is that thing called? The car stops on red light. The car starts on green light. The cars get ready on orange light. What are these light and poles called? Signal. Very nice, Avish. Good guess. It's a signal machine. You see, signal is also a machine which runs on electricity. And it's outside the home. It takes turns. It runs through electricity, through computer. They stop accidents and they let you organize the channeling of traffic. Now, the last thing, can you open your book and look into it? Can you think of any one machine outside your home? No? Okay, all right. I think this will be the difficult for you. So for making you very easy, let's take it to the truck. Okay, these are the 5 things. These are the 5 machines that you can see inside home and outside home. Write it down, everyone. I'm gonna take a picture of this so that I can upload it in your group if so those who missed it on university also. Okay. Now everyone is done. Shall we start with the question number 2? Question number 2. Draw a computer in your copy. Draw a computer in your copy. You can draw the computer on interleave side. Everyone, you have one blank page. Yes, you have to draw that computer on interleave side. Okay, try to draw it with neat scaling and pencil. And then once you are done with the computer, you can start coloring it. You can check the drawing. You can see the computer from page number 2. On your book, page number 2, you can see a computer over there. You can draw with the help of that page. Draw it in the white blank page, interleave one. Yes, on page number 2, Hamza. All of you done with the page number 2 exercise on your book? Good. Now on page number 3, you see a maze. You see a maze on page number 3. There is a rabbit wants to play a computer game. Help him reach his computer. Now you can see a rabbit on page number 3. He's standing outside the green grass. Help him find the computer pathway. Try to draw it with your finger first. Which path is the correct one? Once you find the path, then draw it with the pencil, okay? Do not start drawing with the pencil in the first time. Use your finger, index finger as the pencil and think of the which way is the correct one. Once you find the way, try to draw it with the pencil, okay? Yes, Hamza, this page, Hamza, is showing this puzzle. You have to solve it. Rabbit is finding a way. Rabbit is finding a way towards the computer. Help him find the way. That will be your homework, everyone. That will be your homework to do it. Hamza, do it in your homework. Right now, do the classwork, which is question number 1, question number 2. You have a homework of to draw computer in your interleave side. Okay, this will be your first homework. The second is draw the line and help the maze solve it. Help the rabbit to go towards the computer. Now, before ending this class, I would like to share you some computer manners which is already given on page number 3. You can see there are 2 pictures over there in rectangle box. A boy is sitting on a chair in front of a computer. On the left side picture, you can see there are a lot of pages and a glass of juice which the boy is drinking. He fell a lot of juice on the keyboard. On the left side, you can see juice on the keyboard, which is very bad. You cannot spill your drink on any object. And there are a lot of paper around the computer, which is look like very messy. Very used, very messy, okay? And the pencil and paper and eraser are all over the desk. Now you think this is the way to put something in front of the computer? No. Now on the next picture, on the right side, you can see there is a boy who is sitting on a chair, holding a mouse and looking at a screen. Now you can see the difference is that he is not drinking a juice, and his paper are not all over the places. They are kept intact, and the pencil, eraser and the marker are all over in the folder. So this is the way to work on the table. This looks very clean and very professional. That's how you're gonna do it. Once you sit down on a table of a computer, you must organize your desk like the second one. Okay? Be a good boy and a girl and manage your table very neatly. Do not eat and drink in front of the table, and do not throw your papers around the table. Okay? Keep it intact, keep it folded out. Once you are done with the reading and writing, close your copy and book and put it in the corner. And once you're writing down with the pen and pencil, you have to put all of the thing inside the box or in the holder. That is the way to do it. Once the school will open, you have to follow these two rules. Okay, I will share you more computer rules next time. Everyone, you have done the reading also. We have done 2 questions today. I've given you 2 homework. I hope everyone will show me their very beautiful computer drawing next time on the Interleaf side, okay? I will upload this page on Inversity, okay? You can share it over there. You can see it over there. Those who missed it, those who are not done. Hamza, I didn't see you writing. Why is that? Didn't you write it inside your copy with me? No? Why? You have to write it with me. Yes, Abdul Hadi, you raise your hand.
Okay, teacher.
Okay, good. Everyone is done writing? Any questions? Any questions? If you have any questions, please ask away. You have a homework of page number 3. Find the maze, complete it. And you also have this drawing of a computer. Do not draw with a marker, okay? Do not draw with the glitter. You can always use color pencils. Marker will destroy the front page, okay? So we don't use marker. Only use marker on our arts copy. I'm warning you again, do not use marker because it will destroy the front pages where you have written down. Make a title page for chapter number 1 also. Everyone, that's it. Thank you for coming. Take care of yourself. Wash your hands daily, and every time you have used anything, use hand sanitizer, drink so much, and wear mask when you go outside. Take care of your family members. Take good care of yourself. See you next time. Allah Hafiz. Allah Hafiz. See you next time. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz.